Heilongjiang Safer Company Limited is a professional exporter of safety shoes, rain boots, and PPE products. Our brand is Tiger Master. Established in 2004, Safer has more than 22 years of experience and continues to grow and mature. With prestigious brands, we service becoming the definition of the labor protection products. With 22 years of history, we continue to expand our operations. We are designing new models and learning new technologies and expanding our product range. Not only is PPE useful and practical, it provides protection for labor during work. We have a diverse range of PPE ranging from safety shoes, rain boots, gloves, raincoats, safety vest helmets, traffic products, etc. We have obtained CE certificate, and also we are ISO qualified supplier. We provide ODM and OEM service, and we have a dedicated department of account managers who communicate with buyers, turning their ideas into physical samples. We have our own research and development center whose responsibilities include creating new products, utilizing new materials, and creating new ad processes that create value for our clients. Our products are suitable for all kinds of industry, such as mining, field agriculture, construction, etc. So far, we have exported our products to many countries and regions. Tiger Master strives to do good and to do better. Our vision is to provide labor in the world with intimate solution.